Alright everyone, I'm going to show you how to add an expression pedal feature to the Crybaby. Now this can be done to the older model Crybabies, the newer model Crybabies, and some of the Vox wahs like the 847 or anything that follows this color code right here of blue, yellow, black. For this mod, we're going to need a 1/4 inch stereo jack of your choice. Mine looks like this. Yours could look different, but it does need to be a stereo jack. A triple pin double throw on switch. Again, yours could look different, but it does need to be a triple pin double throw. Now, it doesn't matter if your Crybaby is modified or if there's a true bypass mod. We're not going to be messing with the circuitry or the foot switch. We're only going to be messing with the wires that go to the potentiometer right here. Now, when it comes to the toggle switch, you can put it on the side. I personally like to put it right here underneath the foot rocker. That way nothing bumps it and changes the setting, and it also protects it from getting broken. So I'm going to mount that there. Okay, I have the toggle switch mounted right there. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the black wire here from the ribbon that's going to the potentiometer. I'm going to get that wire and I'm going to cut it. See, I cut that black wire, and that black wire is going to go to this top left lug. Alright, I have the black wire soldered to the top left lug there. Next thing I'm going to do is get the yellow wire and do the same exact thing. And this yellow wire is going to go to the top center lug. Alright, our yellow wire is now on the top center lug. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this blue wire here that's on the pot. Alright, I removed the blue wire from the pot, and that's going to go to the top right lug. Okay, we have the blue wire to the top right lug there. So now the black wire, the yellow wire, and the blue wire that's coming from the ribbon is now on the toggle switch right here. Next we're going to do is move the wires from the pot onto the center lugs right here. So I'm going to start off with the ground, the black wire here, and I'm going to put that on the left center lug. Okay, we have our black wire, which is our ground, going to the left center lug like that. And I'm going to get the yellow wire from the pot right here, the center, and that's going to go to the center lug right there. Okay, now we have the yellow wire going to the center lug. Now I'm going to add a blue wire on that lug right there, the open lug of the pot, and that's going to go to the right center lug. Okay, now we have a blue wire from the pot to the right center lug. All this color should match up so far. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, black, black. Next thing I'm going to do is add a yellow, blue wire and black to our stereo jack. And of course these wires have to reach the toggle switch. You can mount this wherever you like. I'm putting mine up here at the top. Now the yellow wire is soldered to the lug that corresponds with the tip of the cable. And I soldered a blue wire that corresponds to the ring of the cable, and a black wire, which is ground, on the sleeve ground jacket there. I'm going to go ahead and mount my 1/4 inch jack. Okay, now when it comes to the wiring that goes on the toggle switch here, we're not going to be matching up these colors except for yellow. Yellow will be going to the center bottom lug there, but the blue wire and the black wire are going to be reversed on this side. So in other words, blue, yellow, black. Alright, so it should look like that. Reversed of the other wires. Blue, yellow, black. Alright, well, that is the entire mod. Again, the black, yellow, blue from the ribbon are on the top row. The black, yellow, blue from the potentiometer are in the center row. And the black, yellow, blue are on the bottom row, reversed. That is the entire mod there. So when in the down position here, it's the Crybaby like normal. When we switch up, that's going to be the expression pedal. We'll be coming out of here into your expression pedals. And when we're in expression mode, you can still turn the Crybaby on. The foot rocker will only be responding to the expression pedal, but you still get a cocked wah sound, so you can still get a sound out of your Crybaby. But that is the mod there. Let's test it out.